What's up, guys? ZackScott here with Scott playing Dead Space 3, and look at this cool view. I think this looks awesome.
The moon is awfully close today.
This is an ice dragon. Okay, so last time you checked in, we did this optional mission. I got like a huge crap load of stuff, and now my inventory is like completely full. But I got that pulse gun or whatever crap it was that I was looking for, and now I think I'm supposed to go this way. Here we go. Go this way. Oh yeah, past all this stuff again. I'm gonna check out. My bots are just not getting back. Yeah, let's drop off all this crazy stuff. Oh yeah. Great. Look at all the stuff I have. It's insane. Alright, let's go back. Back. Wait. No, let's not go back. I want to store some stuff, I think. Just so I'll have some more room. But I don't know if I'm going to need to or what. So let's see. Let's actually store... Let's see. There we go. That might be good. What do you think? If not, you know, it's always in my safe. I can come back and get those medicine things later. God damn it. Yikes. Something is here. Oh god, it's one of these things. Get off of me. Did I get it off me? I still hear music, sort of. Kind of, not really. Okay. Anyway. I picked up something, who knows. These things are always so confusing. This really disorients me every time I get in one of those freaking rooms. Alright, I want to go in here. There we go. So hopefully we'll get some more of the main mission done this episode, since last one was just an optional mission where I got a ton of gear that I'll probably never use. This time though, you know, I don't really have credits, so I gotta like store up everything.
That's such bullshit that it doesn't really let you hit them until after they've transformed.
Hey, get out of it. Don't you go over it. What the frick?
The hit you really hit.
Hey, leave him alone. God, those guys are everywhere. Alright. I think that noise means like, hey, here's a good spot to say goodbye. I think. I'm gonna see if there's anything over here really quick. There is. Again, these things refill a lot. I haven't really had there's like one part in this game where I had a tiny item problem.
Hey guys, I'm back.
I'm back.
Oh, thank God.
Let's get inside this thing before I lose my nerve. So, what needs to happen here?
There's a harpoon gun on either side of the upper catwalk. This is likely how they hoisted the stomach open.
Oh, terrific. I'll head up.
Terrific.
So we're talking about the ice dragon, right?
I think so, yeah.
So we're gonna harpoon the ice dragon.
Don't worry about it.
We're gonna do an autopsy.
Dick.
Don't worry about it.
Dick. Hey, yeah, that's right. I called you a dick. Boom. Oh, I almost shot your face off. What are you gonna do about it?
Dick.
Dick, what's up, babe? All right.
Santos has nice titties. Just saying.
I like her boobs. Where are we going? Going like where? The frick? We're going in here? What the hell is happening? Keep clear. Hey. Oop, bumped into you. Okay, we're going this way somehow. Maybe? Okay, maybe let's go over here. Nope, it wants me to go that way. Well, screw this, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna go this way instead. Alright, so what? Jeez, what?
Oops.
See this, Ashley?
I see it, but I don't understand what just happened.
I just rotated it.
I saw that, but I don't know what happened.
I don't either. So find out when I go do this one and rotate it as well. Gross. It's like fog coming out of him. Alright, let's try this again. This can't be good, by the way. I can't imagine this. Harpoon open its freaking...
Now we can get the sample out of his belly.
Isaac, you'll need to ride the cage out to the opening. Norton, can you help us?
Wow, you gotta be kidding me.
Wow.
Save it. I'll go inside. I just need you to lower me down.
Yeah, whatever. Get in the cage.
Oh my god, he's such a crybaby.
Objective at it. Into the body cavity.
Isaac's like, yeah, I'll do it, because I
Sounds
do
exciting.
fucking everything around here.
Seriously.
Not like one of you couldn't have done the harpoons.
It's like, hey, there are parts to build a
Assholes.
pulse rifle. Go get that. Okay, now use the pulse rifle to, like... It's not a pulse rifle. I don't remember what it is. I forget what it is.
Pulse rifle.
What is it? It's this. Whatever this
So
is.
Santos, how will this work exactly?
Use the gun sensor attachment to locate a nerve cluster. It should ping when you're close.
And then what?
Shoot a probe into it, I suppose. My telemetry should light up and we'll have the location of the machine. Finally, something simple, right?
Yeah, right.
Right.
I'm inside this crazy thing's body cavity. This is gonna be...
All right.
My telemetry's
Guess I just
telling
aim the
me
probe and follow
shit's
the
gonna
ping.
start going down as soon as we do it.
Doesn't sound too hard.
It's very squishy down here. Sounds like you're walking through oatmeal.
What does it mean, follow the ping? This is the probe I'm supposed to aim, right?
Whatever thing that you built in the last episode. I don't like that it's alive. That was Izzy.
Okay, I totally don't understand this.
Nothing. Need to find a stronger signal ping.
The hell is that?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it though.
God, Santos, it's moving!
Don't worry, it's quite dead.
Yeah, right. You can hear its heart beating.
You sure about that?
Behind you. In front of you.
Put some probes into him. Oh! Little demons? What the hell is he doing?
It's fucking you in the back. Just like that koala.
And they they have med kits and stuff on them. Damn it. Oh god.
Isaac, are you all right?
This thing's got one hell of a defense mechanism. Well, did it work?
No. The signal is just a trickle. I can't get a fix on any specific location.
All right. I'm gonna find another nerve cluster.
Yes, good idea. That should boost the signal.
I guess I'm trying to find like another thing like that.
Yeah, another nerve cluster.
Not again. All right. Come on. Come and get me.
There's an elevator inside of it?
Yeah. Look, I want to get out of here. How's the signal?
Definitely stronger, but
One more?
one more.
Is this room full of gas? This is the wavy. You see that?
I don't know. I'm running. Oh god. Nightmares.
The ring to rule them all.
Isaac, it worked! It worked! I got the fix on the machine's location.
Santos! Not now!
Whoa, what the fucking shit? Okay. Oh god. Hi. You guys are quite numerous. And these guys are very freaking harmful too.
Are they? Because they look...
Yeah, they're taking my health down by a lot. I'm just waiting for them to...
Okay. That better be the last of them. Santos, please tell me you got what you needed.
Yes, thank you. It will take me a moment to sift through the data.
Fine. I'm gonna head back to the cage.
I'm in the cage. I'm in the cage.
Ready when you are, Norton! Norton! Santos, we have a fix on the machine?
Yes. There are thousands of signals, all concentrated far below the planet's surface. That has to be it. There's an entrance further up the mountain beneath a second dig site.
Further up the mountains, they're sheer cliffs.
Well, I saw some climbing gear stored below. Santos and I will start setting up at the base of the cliff. Norton, can you make sure Isaac gets out safely?
Sure. Sure,
He's
I'll
gonna
take care
drop
of
the elevator is
And
what he's
Ellie.
gonna do.
Yeah.
it. I love you. You know that, right?
What? Yeah. Yeah, of course. Isaac, meet us at the cliff.
Got it.
Just shoot him now, because he's a liability.
I guess they gave me the option.
Oh, we're gonna have some emotions now.
Norton, open the cage.
No.
What?
If you want to die here, now's your chance. I'm taking control of this mission again.
Hey! Where you going?
Saving Ellie. Norton! Norton!
Wow, okay. As if I could have...
What's... You were probably gonna
Ellie,
say
can you
the
hear
exact
me?
same thing. What's stopping you from...
Jam my signal.
Ah, that's what's stopping you. Asshole.
You just reach over there,
He's
Isaac?
jamming your personal signal.
I'm in a cage. How come? There we go. I just had to hold on to it. Jeez Louise. Am I right?
When you're right, you're right.
Can't believe you did that to me. I can believe it.
Because, I mean, you're gonna get out. You're a friggin' engineer. You've been... What did he thought an elevator cage was gonna keep you locked up?
Guess he did.
He's an idiot.
I would like to agree with you. Alright, well, that was pretty exciting. But, I'm out. Someone let me out of my cage. Put another bot here. Seems like to be a sweet spot for bots. And we're going this way now. Did it ever do a save? I don't remember. Where am I going? Wait, I need to go this way. Sorry, wrong way. Okay, I was going the wrong way. Sorry, guys. I guess I didn't finish up whatever I was supposed to be doing. Alright, went the wrong way. Something to put. Alright, let's, sorry. Alright, yeah, let's go back. Oops. Wait, which way? Yeah, they went this way. Yeah, I don't know what he was thinking leaving me in that cage. This way, there we go. Sorry. Ignore this. I hear some weird music. Engineers only. It's me. It's my club. Exclusive club. What is this?
Personal log, Dr. Earl
I think I've heard this before.
The Nexus experiment is, well, it's incredible. We have discovered
Alright. We'll come back next time for some more Dead Space 3. Whoa. Sparks. I'm ZackScott. Subscribe if you have not. If you like this video and want to help this channel grow, all you got to do is click the like button below. Thanks so much for watching and check out these other awesome videos. See you next time.